chapter is 7th chapter, definite integration. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B part 25. Last part completed some important formulas of the area under the curves. Today discuss problems of the area under the curves model. First, today discuss exercise 7D, last exercise of the definite integration. That is exercise 7D, first bit, find the area of the region enclosed by the curves. Region enclosed by the curves. First problem, y is equal to x cube plus 3, comma, y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, comma, x is equal to 2. This area lies between these two limits. That's why you can draw, first of all, you can construct the table. What is the table? Y is equal to x cube plus 3 is there. This is the curve. First we have to take table. In this table, first we have to take x coordinates. After that we have to take y coordinates. After that we have to take order pair. X coordinate you can take first minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Here you have to write x is equal to minus 1 in this equation. Minus 1 whole cube, nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 value is 2. Next, x is equal to 0. 0 cube value is 0. 0 plus 3 value is 3. X is equal to 1. 1 cube value 1. 1 plus 3 value is 4. Next, 2. X equal to 2. 2 cube value 8. 8 plus 3 value 11. This is the order pair. Minus 1 comma 2 is a 1 order pair. 0 comma 3. 1 comma 4. 2 comma 11. You can draw the graph. This one is a y-axis. This one is a x-axis. In this x-axis, this is the intersection point origin. You have to take interval minus 1, 0, 1, 2. In y-axis, x-axis minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. Y-axis 2, 3, 4, 11. Nothing but each unit you have to take 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Here negative direction is what here? Negative direction is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. This one is a y dash. First point is minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2 lies in this, located in this way. 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. 3 nothing but here is there. This is 3. After that 1 comma 4. This is 1. This is 4. This is a 1 comma 4 point. After that 2 comma 11. 2 comma 11 nothing but this is a point. Approximately this is the 2 comma 11 point. This is the 1 comma 4 point. This is a 0 comma 3. This one is minus 1 comma 2. Join this all. After that you get this is the area bounded by this total area bounded by the curve in the interval minus 1 to 2. 1 minus 1 to 2. Here area bounded by the curves is A is equal to integral minus 1 to 2 this curve x cube plus 3 whole dx. X cube plus 3 whole dx. Or what is y equal to 0 here? Y is equal to 0 nothing but x-axis. This curve is greater than x-axis. That's why you have to take x cube plus 3 minus 0. You cannot write minus 0. you can x cube plus 3 minus 0 value is always x cube plus 3. First of all, this integration is what? Integral minus 1 to 2 x cube dx plus integral minus 1 to 2 3 dx. What is the integration of x cube? X cube integration is x power 4 by 4 limits is minus 1 to 2 plus 3 common 1 dx nothing but x minus 1 to 2. After that apply limits. Here we can apply limits. First upper limit 2 power 4. 2 power 4 nothing but 16 by 4 minus 1 whole power 4. Minus 1 whole power 4 nothing but even number. You get positive 1 by 4 plus 3 into. Here x is upper limit is 2, lower limit is minus 1. 2 minus of minus 1. After that 16 by 4 minus 1 by 4 nothing but 15 by 4 plus 3 into 2 minus into minus plus 1. 2 plus 1 how much? 3. After that you get right 15 by 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 value is 3. 3 3 is how much? 9. You get 15 by 4 plus 9. We have to take LCM. LCM is 4 here. 15 plus 9 for the 36. 15 plus 36. 15 plus 36 how much? 51. Therefore 51 by 4 square units is the area bounded by the curves. What is the area bounded by the curves? A is equal to this total area is 15 by 4 square units. Next problem is x is equal to 4 minus y square comma x is equal to 0. Here limits are not given. Here function in terms of y, then limits also be in terms of y. First you can find the limits. Here two cases is given. First case x is equal to 4 minus y square. This is equation 1. After that x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 nothing but that line is y-axis. Y-axis equation is x equal to 0. These two equations both are equal. Why? Because these two both are equal. Here LHS part of these two are equal, then RHS also be equal. That's why you can write 1 equal to 2, that implies 4 minus y square equal to 0. Next to y square is equal to 4. This y square goes to left side. You get this is right side. You get a positive y square. Y is equal to square root of 4. Y is equal to plus or minus 2. Nothing but y is equal to minus 2 is one limit. Y is equal to curve is x is equal to 4 minus y square. In this curve, y limits is 2 limits is given. You can draw the table. This one is x, this one is y coordinates, this one is x comma y ordered pair. In this y coordinate, first we have to take minus 2, after that minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Here you can write y equal to minus 2 in this equation. What is the value of x minus minus 2 whole square? X minus minus 2 whole square nothing but 0. That's why this is x value is 0. You can write x value is minus 1. Minus 1 square. Minus 1 square value is 1. 4 minus 1 value is 3. X value is 3. After that you can write 0. 4 minus 0 square. 4 minus 0 nothing but 4. You get x value is 4. You can write 1. 1 square value is 1. 4 minus 1 value is how much? 3. Next you can write 2 square. 2 square value is 4. 4 minus 4 value is 0. That's why this is 0 comma minus 2. This one is 3 comma minus 1. This one is 4 comma 0. This one is 3 comma 1. This one is 0 comma 2 order pair. First of all, you have to take y-axis. After that, you have to take the x-axis. In this y-axis, we have to take limits is minus 2 to 2. This one is the origin. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. After that, x value 3, 4, maximum 3. That's why you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You can Look at the points 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. So this one is a point. After that 3, minus 1. This one is the 3. This one is the minus 1. You get this is the 3, minus 1. 4, 0. This one is the 4, 0. After that 3, 1. This one is the 3. This one is the 1. This is the 3, 1. After that 0, 2. This is the point of 0, 2. Join these all points. You get what? Join these all points. You get this is the curve. What is this curve name? This curve name x is equal to 4 minus y square. In this curve, x is equal to 0 lies on y axis. This is x is equal to 0. This total is the area bounded by the curve. This total is the area bounded by the curve in the interval minus 2 to 2. In this interval, this is the area. This curve lies on the x-axis. That's why you can write area integral minus 2 to 2. Integral minus 2 to 2. What is this curve? This curve is 4 minus y square whole dy. 4 minus y square whole dy. This term, this function in terms of y, limits also be in terms of y, and integration also be with respect to y only. This is the curve. This total is the area of the curve. Here, find the area by using integration formulas. Integral minus 2 to 2 4 dy minus integral minus 2 to 2 y square dy. You can write 4 is common. Integral 1 dy. Integral 1 by dy nothing but y. Limits is minus 2 to 2 minus y square integration y cube by 3. Limits is minus 2 to 2. Here first apply upper limit. Upper limit is 2 minus of minus 2 lower limit is here. Upper limit is 2 cube by 3 minus lower limit is minus 2 cube by 3. After that 4 into minus into minus how much? Plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 minus 2 cube value 8 by 3 minus 2 cube value is minus 8 by 3. Correct or not, students? Minus 2 cube nothing but minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. You get minus into minus into minus. You get minus 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. After that, you can write 4 into 2 plus 2 4 minus 8 by 3 minus into minus plus 8 by 3. After that, a is equal to 4 4 is 16 minus 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 how much? 16 by 3. You have to take LCM. 3 is the LCM. 16 3 is 48 minus 16. 48 minus 16 how much? How much 48 minus 16? 32 by 3 square units. This is the square units. This is the area bounded by the curve. X is equal to 4 minus y square and x is equal to 0 is 32 by 3 square units. Okay, students, this is the 2 marks questions, very important problem.